In this video, we're going to show you how to fix Windows security not opening or working on Windows 11. Right, so we have a couple ways to fix this. The first of which is to repair or reset the Windows security app, which how to do this, it's very simple. Step one is click on the search icon on the taskbar, then type Windows security on your keyboard and select app settings from the right pane. The next step is scroll down to the reset section and click the repair button. If the issue remains even after attempting a repair, repeat the same steps and click the reset button. This will restore all the app settings to their default values and resolve any issues caused by improper configuration. So if that doesn't work, the next thing you can do is to restart the Security Center service. So to do this, press the Windows key plus R to open the Run dialog, and then type services.msc in the text box and press Enter. Step 2, in the services window, you'll find all the services arranged in alphabetical order. Scroll down to locate Security Center and then right-click on it and select Restart. After that, check to see if Windows security is working fine, or try to restart your computer after that. So yeah, that's pretty much it. That's a video. Hope you liked it. Like, comment, share, subscribe, ring that bell icon. We'll see you on the next one.